Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best winter tires that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Cooper Discoverer Snowclaw Winter 265/70R17 115T tire. The Cooper Discoverer Snowclaw Winter 265/70R17 115T tire is created for drivers who need traction during cold months. Built for sport utility vehicles and light trucks, this tire keeps moving even when the temperature drops. It holds steady on snow-covered roads, giving better handling during harsh weather. Designed to remain flexible in freezing conditions, it is tested and approved for severe winter performance with a 3-peak mountain snowflake marking. This winter tire grips snow using advanced groove patterns, locking snow inside to create strong contact and improved control. It also allows room for adding metal studs, helping the vehicle manage icy paths with more safety. Whether going to work, traveling long distances, or driving through snowstorms, this option is dependable for various winter uses. Its non-directional tread shape and deep pattern are made to hold firm, delivering support in snowy and cold climates. With a load capacity of 2,679 pounds and a tread depth of 1330 seconds, it supports vehicles that need steady movement in tough weather. It can hold pressure up to 44 pounds per square inch, and it fits rims that are 8 feet wide. Built with care and tested for snow traction, this tire gives drivers confidence and stability. Its shape and material help vehicles stay in control when roads are covered in ice or snow, making each winter journey safer and more reliable. In our list, the number 2 product name is General Grabber Arctic LTBSW Winter Tire. The General Grabber Arctic Light Truck 245/75R17 E10-ply black sidewall tire is built for cold climates and designed to work well on light trucks and sport utility vehicles. This winter option handles tough road surfaces by keeping firm contact when the ground is covered with snow, water, or ice. It is made to support heavy loads and offers control across different winter settings. Its strong material helps reduce damage and keeps going even after many miles. The pattern in the tread allows the tire to remain steady, helping the vehicle stop safely when the roads are slippery. The design includes a solid center that helps drivers stay in control even when dry roads appear during cold weather. The tire fits rims that measure 7 feet wide and can handle a total of 3,195 pounds. Its deep grooves measure 1630 seconds, allowing it to grip the road better during low-temperature months. Maximum air pressure can reach 80 pounds per square inch, and the 10-ply rating offers added strength for those using trucks for long or rough winter trips. This tire is also designed to allow metal studs, which can improve ice traction if permitted in the driving area. The overall shape and structure allow the tire to keep working during cold, wet, and frozen conditions. It helps drivers feel more secure and balanced no matter what the winter season may bring. In our list, the number 3 product name is NEXEN Winguard Winspike 3 Winter Tire. The NEXEN Winguard Winspike 3 Winter Tire 195/65R1595T is made for cold weather and supports vehicles that need steady movement during ice and snow. Designed for control on winter roads, this tire helps drivers stay balanced when the road becomes slippery with water, slush, or frozen layers. It has a shape that allows water to move away from the surface, helping maintain road contact and reduce sliding. The tread pattern is made to follow one direction, guiding the vehicle in a stable path while traveling in snowy or wet conditions. With dense lines across the surface, this tire holds firm even when temperatures fall below freezing. The material is designed to remain soft, keeping traction steady throughout the season. The tire fits rims that are 6 feet wide, and the air pressure can reach up to 50 pounds per square inch. The total weight support is 16 ounces, and the 4-ply build adds strength. The grooves measure 11/32 deep, offering space for grip in snowy areas. This model allows the use of optional metal pins, which helps add bite on ice when needed. Its structure supports vehicles in places where cold weather creates risky roads. It is also approved for performance in serious winter conditions with a 3-peak mountain snowflake marking. Built with focus on safety and function, this tire handles snow, water, and ice with a mix of stability and confidence. In our list, the number 4 product name is Michelin Cross Climate 2 Winter Tire. The Michelin Cross Climate 2 All-Weather 225/65R 17/102H tire is created to perform during every season and helps drivers manage different types of road conditions. It gives support when the road is dry, wet, or lightly covered with snow. Its material allows it to stay steady through temperature changes while helping the vehicle stop smoothly on dry paths and remain balanced during rainfall. This option is built with a tread that follows a single direction, helping guide the vehicle in a straight path with control. It includes a pattern that moves water away from the contact point to lower the risk of sliding on wet surfaces. The rubber compound is designed to offer lasting grip and strong hold during warm or cold days. This tire fits a rim width of 6.5 feet and supports a total load of 1,874 pounds. Its air limit reaches 51 pounds per square inch. With a depth of 10/32, the grooves provide space for water and improve contact with the road. The section width equals 9 feet, giving the vehicle a stable base for movement. This model carries the 3-peak mountain snowflake mark, which shows it is tested for control in light winter use. It is also built to last over time and offer steady use on various surfaces. Drivers looking for a reliable year-round choice will find this tire useful in changing driving environments. In our list, the number 5 product name is Cooper Discoverer True North Winter Tire. The Cooper Discoverer True North Winter 235/50R 1897H tire is made to support safe travel during cold seasons. It fits vehicles such as passenger cars, sport utility vehicles, and light pickup trucks that move through areas with snow, slush, and frozen roads. Its design helps provide steady contact with the ground, especially when black ice or wet surfaces appear during winter drives. With a section width of 235 millimeters and a rim width of 7.5 feet, this tire gives a strong base for balanced driving. The air capacity reaches up to 44 pounds per square inch, while the total load it can carry is 1,609 pounds. Deep grooves that measure 11/32 help the tire grip cold roads and push away water or packed snow. Its shape follows an asymmetrical pattern, helping manage different surfaces with consistent control. The rubber compound stays soft during lower temperatures, which allows the vehicle to stop smoothly even in snowy areas. This model carries the 3-peak mountain snowflake mark, showing it is rated for strong snow handling. This tire is also created to stay quiet during movement, reducing noise that often comes from rough road textures. It helps drivers who regularly move through treated paths or icy streets during their daily travel. Built for winter performance without losing smooth handling, this tire supports safe and silent rides through the colder months. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.